Hi, you're welcome. In today's video, I will show you how I prepared this roasted chicken salmon potato dish. It is so easy to make, very delicious and nutritious. As Christmas is approaching, it will be a very good option for your Christmas dish. Let's get started. Here we have sweet potato, white potato, and carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the bags off and slice it in a desired shape and sizes. Now to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. If you like this kind of recipes, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this lovely family. Here we make delicious recipes, healthy ones that I know you're gonna love. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you as well. So now I'll go ahead and cut the potatoes in these sizes. You can always cut your one as you prefer it to be. This is how my one turned out. So after that, I'll go ahead and season my potatoes. Here we have basil, and I'm gonna add basil in there, and oregano and salt, and I'll add a little bit of oil and then mix together. After that is well incorporated and combined, I'll pour this in the oven tray and then place in the oven to cook until it is tender. While that is baking in the oven, now we're gonna marinate our chicken and salmon. Here I'm just adding salt and spices. You can always use any spice of your choice. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of onion and hot chili pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to mix all of this together and a little bit of oil as well to help all the spices get absorbed into the fish and chicken. For best outcome, you can always allow your chicken for some few minutes after marinating it, okay, so that all the spices will get absorbed fully. But you can always cook it straight on after mixing everything together, but it's best to allow it to absorb all the spices, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken and the fish in the oven tray and then place in the oven to cook until it turns golden brown. Finally, our potato is well baked and fully cooked. As you can see, it is so soft and it tastes so delicious as well. So here is the final look, final outcome. You see the chicken and the salmon. It is golden brown, looking so delicious. For the carrots, I just steamed the carrots and the veggies, okay, but you can always slice your veggies in there without having to steam it. I steamed only the carrot and the veggies is still very raw, okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I really do appreciate you if you watched up till now. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Share my videos. I know your family and friends are gonna love it. Bye bye. Take care.